2014 Ram 3-liter Eco Diesel. Changing the fuel filter. So you're going to want to come back here where rear differential and stuff is. Ouch, that's a hoist. Alright, so right up here you have a little screw. You're going to take Phillips screwdriver, come up along the side of the drive shaft there. You're going to unscrew it so it starts to drip out, right? You're going to want a catch pan or something, and then also you're going to want a filter wrench, something like this. And then you're going to break this free. So that I already did so, and I figured, well, I'll tell the rest of the world what I'm doing. So take that, loosen it off, let her drip down so you don't make a mess all over yourself. Just going to unscrew this a little bit, allow her to drip out. I'll be back in 2 seconds to show you how to put the filter in. Alright, so we'll loosen this up. Already loosened the bottom screw, and when you take this down, you want to pull straight down. You don't want to pull it off to a side. So you're going to take that and just dump the rest of the diesel fuel out. Ouch! Don't pinch your finger against the filter cover and the drive shaft. That's your filter there. Grab the new one. Most of the filters come with a new O-ring. So we're going to take this O-ring off. Just get down underneath of it. Sometimes there's a little opening. There we go. Work that up and off. Just use a little pocket screwdriver. We get a little bit of diesel fuel on this. Slap this one on. And of course the light wants to die when we're in production. Okay, so right here you have this side here is going to clip into the filter housing. This side here is going to go up into, or this one's going to clip into the filter cover, and then this one's going to go up into the housing, into the unit. So you have little markings, little indents that will position your filter. Snap it into place, put a little diesel on that. We're going to go straight up on this. Push it up. Spin her tight. Take our filter wrench. We're just going to snug it up until it stops. Don't got to go super crazy on these. That's it. Take our screwdriver, put our plug back in. There. That's it. And then when you go to start her up, prime the system twice before we're starting. It should be good. Alright, so we're back in the truck. Just going to prime the system there a couple times before we start. Shut it back off. Put it in the run position again. And shut it off. Put it in the run position again. Okay, push the brake. Start it up. Let her run for 30 seconds or so. Want to check for drips. Check for drips. Check down underneath. Make sure there's nothing dripping. Make sure you hit that like button for part 2. Just kidding.